Why is my dwarf Mondo grass turning brown, and how can I keep it from dying? I noticed it came from the nursery with brown tips, and they say no refunds. The grass is beautiful and full except for the brown and yellow leaves. Please help me keep it vibrant and alive. This is Annie from Frisco, Texas. Doc, Frisco,
Texas.
Frisco,
well, I didn't
Texas.
look that up on the map, but you know, I'm thinking, yeah, that's kind of a little piece from here, but Mondo grass is Mondo grass. So,
that's right.
And you do tend to have a lot of foliar diseases with Mondo, particularly in the wrong place, because it is a shade ground cover, and it can get a little tip burned back, you know, based on there's diseases it can get. None of them really serious unless it's something like a crown rot, which one of the symptoms of that is, you know, the dieback from the stems. And the best way to know that is it doesn't really need to be in a boggy place. You know, if it came from the nursery, it probably brought whatever it was in with it, you know. So I'd just say if he doesn't like the way it looks, you know, I'll tell you what I do with my grass, my monkey grass. Right now, mine looks pretty bad too, you know, so I mean, don't worry about it. Even if the so-called expert has bad-looking grass, you know, monkey grass, it's nothing to worry about. And I think in the spring, what he needs to do is just mow it down.
Yeah, mow it
and
down.
get up all the clippings and stuff, and try to do, like you said, the cultural thing. Make sure it's in the right site. You know, it likes shade, it likes well-drained soil, doesn't like to be, you know, drought stressed. Because anything like that's going to make a little dieback. And there could be a couple of diseases, but good cultural should take care of that.
I would agree.
Yeah.
Anything, Joel, to add to that?
Well, I would just, if there's certain plants that are dying, you might want to get those up and make sure they're not planted too low, too. Because if you're burying the crown of each of the individual plants, then that's going to cause more stress and cause it to root rot.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.